Hey guys, I am here. Today, I'm showing you how to avoid a costly winter mistake with your car. If your car won't start on a freezing day, don't just turn the key. If your radiator is frozen, starting the engine can destroy it. Frozen coolant can't flow or protect your engine. Trying to start it can break the water pump, snap the timing belt, or even crack the engine block. That's a repair that could cost more than your car is worth. Check your coolant reservoir. If it's slushy or solid, that's a warning sign. Squeeze the radiator hose. If it's rock hard, your system is frozen. Don't force anything. Never start the engine if you suspect freezing. I'll show you how to safely fix a frozen radiator and save your engine. Let's get started. So, your radiator's frozen. Why? The main reason is the wrong coolant to water mix. Antifreeze needs to be mixed 50-50 with water for proper freeze protection. Too much water, or topping off with just water, raises the freezing point. Old or diluted coolant loses its effectiveness over time. Extreme cold can push even a good mix past its limits, especially if your car is parked outside in the wind. Leaks can also dilute your coolant if you keep topping off with water. Always check your coolant level and mixture before winter. Understanding these causes helps you prevent this problem in the future. Before you touch anything, safety first. Make sure the engine is completely cold. Never open a hot radiator. Never pour boiling water on a frozen radiator. The sudden temperature change can crack metal or plastic. Thaw slowly and gently. Patience is key. Wear gloves and safety glasses to protect your hands and eyes from cold, sharp edges and toxic antifreeze. Don't start the engine. This can destroy your water pump or engine. Keep the keys out of the ignition. Always check for leaks as things thaw. Protect yourself and your car by working carefully. Safety and patience will save you from expensive mistakes. Let's move on to thawing your radiator the right way. Here's how to quickly and safely thaw your frozen radiator. Move your car into a garage or sheltered spot if possible. This speeds up thawing. Use a space heater or hairdryer on low, a few feet from the radiator. Never use open flames or high heat. As it thaws, check for leaks or cracks in hoses in the radiator. Once thawed, drain the old coolant to remove any slush or debris. Refill with a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and distilled water, or use pre-mixed coolant. Start your car and check for smooth operation. You're ready for winter roads. After thawing and refilling with coolant, start the engine with the radiator cap off. Let it idle and top off coolant as needed. Turn the heater to max to circulate coolant through the system. Feel for hot air from the vents and watch the temperature gauge. It should rise to the middle and stay there. If the gauge goes into the red, shut off the engine and check for leaks or blockages. Once everything's normal, close the radiator cap, let the car cool, and top off the reservoir if needed. Now your system is safe and ready for winter. And you fixed your radiator. Now let's prevent this from happening again. Always use a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and distilled water. Never tap water. Use a coolant tester before winter to check freeze protection. Replace coolant every 2 to 5 years, or if it looks dirty. Park in a garage or out of the wind if possible. For extreme cold, cover the hood and grill with a blanket overnight. Check all fluids in your battery before winter hits. A little maintenance saves you from big repairs. Stay proactive and your car will start every time, even in the coldest weather. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.